wants to be able to predict outages or failures? Would you like to be able to predict when your drive components will need maintenance? Would you like to know how your drive systems can be digitalized? Who will help you with the implementation of digitalization? We in Siemens help you with our digital drive system services on your way to your digital transformation. We support you on this path, starting with a digitalization check, driving the implementation of the connectivity, all the way to predictive services. The result is greater availability, productivity, and maintenance efficiency of your drive systems. Together with you, our experts determine the degree of digitalization of your motors and drives. While doing so, we evaluate the possibilities to connect your drive systems to the cloud. Based on this, we develop an individual digitalization strategy with very specific and customized recommendations for you. We will support you with the installation of the connectivity, and we also connect your drive systems to MindSphere. Based on certain MindSphere applications, we will predict service interventions to maintain your motors and drives before they even fail. With our Predictive Service Assistance app, we support you to maintain transparency about the condition of your drive systems. Maintenance triggers based on predictive analytics enable much more efficient maintenance cycles and eliminate unplanned downtimes. With a standardized service contract, we not only assure the benefits of our analytics, but also optimize your spare parts management. As you will see, you can not only predict when your drive components will need maintenance, but also even what spare parts are needed. With our digital services, we accompany you on your way to digitalization, from strategy advice for industrial digitalization to solution consulting as well as the implementation. With our support, you will be able to improve your productivity. That drives a higher outcome of your factory.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.